Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content settings. Okay, so you can't access in your Twitter mobile application. So basically, you have to log in your Chrome browser or any other browser. So as you can see here, you have to just type Twitter on the Google search bar and just click on the login into Twitter. And after that, you have to log in the Twitter. Okay, so this will the interface. When you will log in, you have to just click on the left top side corner, and below down you will see setting and support. You have to click on that, and there will be first option, that is setting and privacy. Click over that, and after that you will get an option that is secure privacy and safety. Okay, so here you will see the first option, that is third option, content you see. You have to click over that, and here you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. So you have to uncheck this. Okay, so after unchecking this, no ever sensitive content you will receive in your dashboard or in your scroll when you are scrolling the Twitter. Okay, so basically this will help you to get rid of sensitive content in the Twitter. So I hope guys you found this video really helpful. If you did, then do follow our page. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.